Welcome to Funda CompuPath. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a PowerPoint presentation. Probably you have written your own report, your own statistics, your own research, and so forth and so forth. And now this is the time for you to present your results. It can be your statistics. It can be your research. It can be your report. It can be your figures. This is what we are going to learn in this video. Without any waste of time, let's get started. So we are going to use the data from the report that we have already created in both spreadsheet and word processing. So we are going to make a presentation. You have drafted your report, for an example. Now you want to present it. You have to open your PowerPoint presentation. You have to open your PowerPoint presentation. Then you are going to automatically have slide number 1. Once you are here, you can just come here and just say delete. And then say delete again. In other words, it has to be blank like this. Why? Because I want us to learn how we can do it from the scratch. Once it is blank like this, you go to insert. Then you come to a text box. You draw a text box like this. Then you write. Then after that, you drag it like this. Just drag it. You open it like this. Then you come here so that we can design it. You bold it. You can also increase the size to maybe size 54 is all right, because you want everything to be as clear as possible. Then you also highlight this part. You can also increase the size here to maybe size 32. Then you can decrease this size here presented by Store Manager, probably to size number 24 is okay. Then you can also write August 2026, like this. It has to look like this. And maybe you can drag it towards the middle like this. This is your slide. So it's important to design your slide. You can come here to design. You can come to design. Let's change the background. You come to format background. You click format background. And now we have to choose the color. You come to this basket here. Come to this basket here. You'll see color. Then opposite is basket. You will see this basket. Maybe we can use this blue. We can use this blue. But so that everything is clearer, we can highlight everything here and go to home. And then we choose white. We choose white like this. This is your first slide, and we are done with your first slide. Then we move to another slide. You say create a new slide. You click, then let's choose blank. Let's choose blank, or we can choose title only. We can choose title only. And then we add our title here. We're going to say August Then after that, we have to insert a table. We're going to insert a table, because you can also insert a table in your PowerPoint presentation. Insert a table. Then we're going to choose 4 columns plus 5 rows, because we are presenting our report. Then you can also increase it like this, or you can open it or stretch it like this. Then here we're going to write Once you are done, you can just bold this part so that it looks like this. We are done with this slide. Then you add another slide. Create another slide. Then you're going to choose title only again. This is our third slide. Once you have added this, in other words, we have come to the end of our report in our presentation or our presentation report. This is what you're going to do. You're going to highlight everything here because we want to insert the bullets. You come here to insert. You can choose the bullets that you like. I would like to select this one this time. This is how it looks. But again, you can also highlight so that at least you can control the line spacing. You come to paragraph. When it comes to line spacing, at least you can use 1.5 or double. Let's go with double line spacing. Double line spacing like this. Then you adjust. On our last slide, we have to apply the background as well. And this is what we are going to do. You go to design. You go to design, format background. You come here and then you choose this blue like this. Then afterwards, you can highlight everything here. You go to home and you choose white. Then you highlight the heading. Then you choose white. Again, the reason I choose white is because white fits very well on top of blue. This is how it should look like. It's slide number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. Then it will be easy for you to do your presentation or to make your presentation. You start here. Then this is the second slide, the third slide, the fourth slide, and the fifth slide. You can also come here to slide show, click slide show. When you make your presentation, then you can just say from the beginning of the slide when you start your presentation, so that the only thing that can appear is your slides only. You click from the beginning. Then you make your presentation like this. Then the next slide, then the next slide, then the next slide, then the last slide. Then you are done making your presentation. Then you can press escape once you are done.